Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix meta verification not available on Instagram. Are you encountering the frustrating meta verification not available error on Instagram? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive troubleshooting guide, we'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue and regain control of your meta verification settings. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app. Then go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and under Order and Payments you can see Meta Verified option, and click on it. That will send you on Next menu to finish all process for Meta Verified. But if you didn't have this option like me, go to Update Instagram app. So open Play Store or App Store and type Instagram. If on this green button is written Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds to finish update, and next go to check if it is Meta Verified. If there is no again, we will go on Instagram Help Center, because there are several conditions to get it. You can see this feature may not be available in your location at this time. Also, to be eligible for a Meta Verified subscription on Instagram, you must be at least 18 years old. Only individual profiles are eligible for Meta Verified subscriptions at this time. Business profiles are not eligible for Meta Verified subscriptions, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.